Hey crafty friends, happy Tuesday. It's Hannah at the Doodlebug in Jasper, Indiana, and it's time for our What's New Today at the Doodlebug. Today we got in new diamond art kits. I know our diamond art section has been looking a little scarce lately, sold down quite a bit, and there are a few designs I've been watching for some special orders, and they finally came back in stock. So that is what I've got for you guys today. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you some of the new diamond art kits that we just got in. So lots of fun stuff back here. I even tried some of the framed kits this time as well. So we'll go through those. We're going to start with your traditional diamond art. The ones on canvas that were, if you're familiar with diamond art, these are all the ones that are on canvas. If you're not familiar with diamond art, let me explain it just a little bit to you. To me, it's kind of like counted cross stitch, but with rhinestones. So these are all canvases, and they have a layer of really good stick to them. Then, well, hello, Miss Linda. Linda, actually, she had the day off today, so I hope you spent some time in your craft room today, Miss Linda. So there's a great sticky canvas, and then it comes with all these fun different colors of gems. You get a little toolkit in there, you pick the gems up, and then you put them on the corresponding spot. You can kind of see there, the little corresponding spot on the canvas. They are so fun. Oh, Shannon, Bar Harbor, Maine. So my boyfriend BJ loves Maine. Like, it is his little boy dream to one day have a vacation place in Maine that he can rent out, but then go there. He used to go there 2 times a year. So, and we have yet to go together. And I remind him of that all the time. But he loves Maine, and the pictures I have seen are absolutely beautiful. So enjoy it up there. Miss Becky is on here as well. Linda made 5 Christmas cards today, so she did get some crafty time in. Good for you. All right, so the first one that we've got here, this little guy is a 12 by 12 size, and this one here, oh my gosh. All right, Stephanie is jumping on and saying these gems are already in little Ziploc bags, which is great because, yes, other companies come in little, I want to say vacuum sealed, heat sealed ones. So when you open up, you've got to put them in something else anyway because they spill everywhere. So yes, that is definitely probably a nice little, touch that this gal has. So this is a small company that I order from. It's not a big box company or anything like that. She makes all of these. So it's just fun, a way to support another little business. This one here is called Frog. So you get this cute little frog, and it's going to make a 12 by 12 when it's done, and these are square diamonds. This one here is another square diamond kit. That is just the shape of your diamonds. They can either be round or square. This one is called Snowman with Hot Cocoa. It is a 12 by 16. Then this one is called Autumn Leaves. Isn't that one going to be beautiful when it's done? It is a 16 by 20. This one is called Watercolor Tree. That would be a fun one for a teenager too to put in their room with all the fun colors in it. It is a 12 by 16 when it's done. We've had this one in before. This is a restock on this one. It is called Northern Lights. It is a round one. Oh, I forgot to say that on the other ones. Square, round. This one is a 16 by 20 when it's done. This next one is another round kit. This one is called Pumpkin Swirl. It is 12 by 16 when it's done. This is another restock one. This was another one that's super popular, and I love ordering from this company, but I will tell you, her stock is very limited. And so a lot of these, she only had a lot of ones in stocks on them. So I apologize when we put you on a reorder list if you don't snag it quick. I've been watching this one forever, and she finally got one made again. I'm sure they're very time consuming with all the different colored gems and things you've got to bag up and put in there. This one is called Jars. and it is a 16 by 20 when it's done. This is a new little one. It's a kid's kit, so it makes just a little 4x4, and it's a little football. See how cute that is? Just a little canvas there that they can hang in their room. You could put it in a little 4x4 frame, but only $10. I thought that was a great little one for if you're just wanting to try it out, if you're wanting to do something fun to put in your little boy's room or your little girl's room if she plays football, or one of the grandkids, maybe in a man cave. That might be a fun little addition to a man cave. So I've got the little football in. Next up, these are the frame ones I just added, and these she had a little more stock on, so I was excited about these. These are all framed, so they come with their own little white frame, and this one is Christmas gnomes, so it does 3 little gnomes on here, says Merry and Bright on the bottom. So cute. It's got its own little frame, like I said. You can see there's all your fun little gems on the back. Looks like these might come in sealed ones. I know Stephanie was saying some of them come in the little Ziploc baggies, but it looks like those might be in a sealed one. Then we have got another framed art. This one here is a sunflower. This one is by far my favorite. How cute is this? This one is Happy Halloween. So fun. And then again, it's got its own little frame that comes with it. Cute. Then we've got pumpkins. It's another framed one. So these little ones you can set out then as a fun little seasonal display. There's all the pretties you get in there. So there's pumpkins. All right. Next, we got back in some cards. We got some cards last time, and they went really, really well, so we added a few extra cards this time. These are all little greeting cards. They're 5x7s. You'll only be putting diamonds on the front of the cards, but this one is Happy Birthday Elephant. We've got Happy Birthday Dog, and then this one is called, I think it's called Merry Christmas. Yep, Merry Christmas, but you could also just say Snowman card. Isn't that pretty? And you're going to do all the diamonds on the snowman, because he's got his little numbers on there. Then I did some fun little stickers. So another one I think, good for kids. These are little diamond art stickers. This one is dinosaurs. This one is swag. Look at all these fun ones in there. Snowman for you, Miss Shannon. You got it, my friend. Aren't those fun? All these fun little stickers in there. Again, it's going to be a fun one for your little crafters. And then something I noticed that is new for her on this site are bookmarks. So she's got this beautiful cardinal bookmark. Thought that might even be good just if you've had someone who's lost someone and you want to give them kind of an uplifting book. I know I got a couple different books whenever my sister passed away with different quotes and things like that in it. So maybe you want to give them a book as a little memento and then put a bookmark in it. This would be a beautiful little bookmarks. How many cards in a pack? Oh, just the one. Yeah, with the diamond art stuff, it is just one because you're getting all your diamonds in there. Yes. So one in a pack on those. So then we've got the cardinal bookmark. And then we have a flamingo bookmark too. Fun, fun. And that is it for today, friends. One little order got checked in. I will tell you, Terry was here today. And like I said, Linda was off. Terry was here. And we worked on getting some prizes sent out from the Shop Hop. But Terry was back here working super hard on getting the clear scraps order checked in. So we've just about got all this fun stuff ready to go. So we'll be showing that one probably in the next day or two. So that will be a fun order once we get that one done as well. So whoop, whoop. All right, short and sweet today, friends. You're going to be visiting on Thursday. Awesome. Well, Miss Amy, I will not be here on Thursday, so I am totally going to miss you. Haven't seen you in forever. My dad is having surgery, so I will be heading out of town on Thursday. So again, no live on Thursday. Wednesday will be an early live as well because which is tomorrow. Oh goodness, I am leaving tomorrow so I can get to Indianapolis. So his surgery is about 2.5 hours away or so. And I'm going to hit rush hour traffic, of course, but that is what it is. So I'm going to close the store a little early tomorrow so I can hit the road and then that way be up there, get a good kind of night's sleep because then his surgery is early on Thursday. So whew, it's going to be a crazy week around here for me trying to get a ton of stuff done tomorrow. So all right, everybody, so thank you so much for popping in and checking out all the new diamond art kits that we just got in stock. If you see any that you want me to snag for you and put on your tab, you can let me know here in the comments. Otherwise, you can always shop at www.thedoodlebuginc, that's inc.com. All of these are up on the site and ready to go. And then I will see you tomorrow. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.